Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Foreign Secretary ka Sarkar India Vikram Misri haga jingelang bat kila pathai kubor ula pentikna halor ka jingpin trekam ya ka jingya Sangeh Ïasiat hapadeng ka India bat ka Pakistan. Shu layat huru ba Director General jangka Military Operations jangka Pakistan ula pun Director General jangka Military Operations jangka India hakapor Baje san Janmiet. Bat kila minjur lang ba baro arliang kin pensange ya ka jingya kin at bat ka jingya kun sun hakendo bat haduriaw Naduh Mynta Sngi kata Naduh kapor san Baje Janmiet. Shu Foreign Secretary ula ongru bala ay hukum siya baro arliang ban pentrekam ya kani karay. Ki Director General jangka Military Operations kinsaya Kren biang ha ka khat atre ujimang ha kapor khat ar Baje Sngi.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have a very brief statement to make. Following that, as you know, there will be a briefing by my colleagues from the military. The Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan called the Director General of Military Operations of India at 15:35 hours earlier this afternoon. It was agreed between them that both sides would stop all firing and military action on land and in the air and sea with effect from 1700 hours Indian Standard Time today. Instructions have been given on both sides to give effect to this understanding. The Directors General of Military Operations will talk again on the 12th of May at 1200 hours. Thank you.